Hi friends, it's Mrs. Jared from East Washington Academy. We've been talking a lot about reading. And the more I read, I encounter a lot of words that I don't always know how to say them. So my finger comes in very handy when I'm reading a word. I do this as I'm reading along. If I don't know it, I tend to cover up the part of that I don't know and I decode as I go. Now let's look at the first word. The word is I'm not sure. Let me use my finger. Put your finger underneath the beginning of the word that starts with the letter C. And I'm going to cover up and I'm going to go down the word and I'm going to say covered. The word is covered. It's magical. Let's try the next word. Put your finger under the SC of the word and let's see if we can do it. Now there's a short A. I think the word is scatter. Scatter. And finally, this is a longer word, and you might think, oh, I can't do this. We never give up because we are good readers. We're going to start with a D, and we're going to go different. Different. Now, you are going to get to do the same thing as you read along. Make sure you use your finger to make the word smaller. If a word looks too long, it doesn't mean it's hard. It just means the word is long. So, cover it up. Make it doable, and I know you can do it. See you soon, and keep on reading.